If you want to access Microsoft OneDrive quickly and easily, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to use OneDrive on the web or open it directly on your PC, I'll show you both methods so you can get to your files without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's start with the easiest way to access OneDrive, which is through your web browser. Open your preferred browser on your computer, then go to Microsoft OneDrive. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button and click it. Now, enter the email address for your Microsoft account. After that, type in your password and click sign in again. If your account details are correct, you'll be taken straight into your OneDrive account. From here, you can view your files, upload new documents, organize folders, and access everything stored in the cloud. This is a great option if you are using a shared computer, if you are away from your main device, or if you just want fast access from any browser. Now let's move on to accessing OneDrive on a Windows PC. This is even faster if OneDrive is already set up on your computer. Open File Explorer from your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and E on your keyboard. In the left sidebar, look for OneDrive. You may see your personal OneDrive or a work or school version depending on the account connected to your device. Click OneDrive and your files will open right away. This method is very convenient because it lets you manage your cloud files just like regular folders on your computer. You can open documents, move files, create folders, and sync changes automatically. If you do not see OneDrive in File Explorer, don't worry, there's an easy fix. If OneDrive does not appear in File Explorer, you'll need to install it first. Open your browser and download OneDrive from the official Microsoft website. Once the download finishes, install the app on your PC. After installation, sign in using your Microsoft account. When setup is complete, reopen File Explorer and OneDrive should now appear in the left sidebar. This step is important because it connects your device to your Microsoft account and enables syncing. Once synced, any files you add or change can stay updated across your devices, making it much easier to work from anywhere. So to recap, if you want to access Microsoft OneDrive, you can either sign in through the web or open it from File Explorer on your PC. And if it's not showing up, just download and install OneDrive from Microsoft, sign in, and it should appear in your sidebar. I hope this tutorial made it simple for you to access Microsoft OneDrive. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.